Okay, so I've had a lot of requests on beginner lessons, and I know a lot of people are quarantined right now, and a lot of people are getting back to their guitar roots. So I'm going to start a beginner lesson series and go through some fun things for beginners to do, and we're going to start right now with this. So we're going to start with the E minor chord. We're going to put our second finger on string 5 fret 2, and we're going to put our third finger on string 4 fret 2. Sounds like this. Okay. And then we're going to take those same two fingers, we're going to move them one string closer to the ground, so to speak. So we take the same configuration, there, see I moved it. Now my second finger is on string 4 fret 2, and my third finger is on string 3 fret 2, and it's an A2 chord, and it sounds like this. Now, the first chord is a 6-string chord. The second chord is a 5-string chord, okay? But in this particular case, as a beginner, on the A2 chord, if you accidentally hit 6 strings, it's not a real big deal since the E is part of this particular chord. But try to hit only 5 strings on this one and 6 strings on this one. So now our basic count for something like this would be a 4/4 count. And so what we would do is we would play each chord 4 strokes for a measure. For instance, when you hear a band say 1, 2, 3, 4, and they start 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's basically it. So what you want to do is you want to do 4 strums per chord. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you change the chord to the A2. And then you're going to do that one. Remember, 5 strings on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go back to the E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the A2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what you want to do though, see, when you first learn and you do this, you'll play, when you hit stroke 4 on this one, 4, then you take your time, you move to the next chord, and then you start that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once again, what most beginners do, they take a pause, they move to the next chord. What you want to do is you want to get it to the point where there is no pause. So it's going to go like this. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the basic strum, and people still use that in songs. Now the next strum I'm going to show you is going to be an up and down strum pattern, and it's going to include the 8th note. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this particular strum will go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. See, notice we're going down on the counts of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going up on the ands. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so your first goal, of course, is to get the 1, 2, 3, 4. The next goal is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. Okay, now when I saw the Rolling Stones in concert and Mick Jagger picked up a guitar, this was the strum he did. He was always... And that's, I used to call it the Mick Jagger style of strumming. And he's a good guitar player. I've seen him play some other stuff, but it's just when he's out there live, you know, he's just banging on a guitar while Ron Wood and Keith Richards take care of business. Now I'm going to show you, here's one strum that'll work, kind of works on 80% of songs. It's really amazing, but yeah, it works in a lot of places. And this basic strum goes like this. It goes down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, and then you change down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now you may have noticed I went 2 measures each on this one, and I did that so you get a chance to relax with the chord a little bit and get more into the strum than worrying about changing the chord every measure. So we're going 2 measures on this, and the count is 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and you change. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So there it is. There's a good way to get started now with some basic chords and to get your strumming and tempo practice in. I'm going to be posting some real basic beginner stuff now and some little bit more advanced beginner stuff, but I'm going to be doing a beginner guitar series for all you staying at home and wanting to learn guitar. Subscribe. Have a great day.